Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you are. Today is February 27, 2019. This is a midday market update. So the market bounced back from its low today a little bit. So let's go and take a look and see what has transpired. The oil market is pretty strong. It's up $1.77 at 57.27. Gold is still a little weak, down $7.40 at 13.21 and 10 cents. And the cash index, the Dow Jones Industrial, down 50 point at 26,007.48. The S&P 500 is down slightly less than 2 point at 27.92. The Nasdaq 100 down close to 14 point at 7,109. Russell 2000 down to it's actually up 2.7 at 1580. And the Nasdaq Composite is down 1.69 point at 75.47. And the Dow Jones Transportation is down 40 point at 10,497. So that is the indexes, and let's take a look at the internal. You can see the up-down volume. It opened on a positive territory, then it immediately went down, dipped below zero, below the neutral line, and now it is back up. It's sitting at 1.52 in the New York Stock Exchange, but the Nasdaq is still remain in the negative territory at minus 1.37, and the Russell 2000 is 1.03. The advanced decline came down pretty dramatically after the open, and then it just bounced back up. Right now it's back up to the positive territory, and it is leading the decline to just slightly 57 issue. 57 more advancer than the decliner in the New York Stock Exchange. Similarly for the Nasdaq, it is the advance is leading the decliner by 136 issue. The cumulative tick for the New York Stock Exchange turned positive, but the Nasdaq is still hovering around this neutral line near the zero line here. It's looking at the ES. The ES open out of range and then came back up, tagged the value area low, then moved back and took out the overnight low, set up the IB low, came back up and actually went back into the value area from yesterday, but now it is back inside the IB range after it broke into the IB high. For the NQ, similarly, open out of range, went back in, came down, put in an IB low, broke the IB high, and now it's just sitting right near the edge of the previous day's value area low. Okay, so that is the internal. A quick look of the ES. Let's move on and take a little bit more detailed look on the ES. Looking at the daily candlestick, see the ES is still hovering around this zone here, trying to make up its mind whether to pull back or break out in this zone here. So there's this lower channel line here that I'm watching to see if it could come down and make a tag on that to see would it actually get down to this area. This is a little bit of a high volume area, and see it chop around and come back up. That's one of the scenarios that I'm watching for the ES. Then looking at the volume profile, you can see that the volume profile is pulling back into this balance zone here, and also the market profile, we see that there are quite a few of these levels below the current price level that need to be resolved, and if it does pull back, then these are the levels that I will be watching. In case that it does push through and bounce back up, and the October and November unfinished business will probably get worked on. And looking at the daily market profile and the volume profile, you see so far so good on the high and on the low. It came down, took out this poor low from yesterday. The point of control from yesterday and last week still need to be tagged. So those are the two levels that I will be keeping an eye on any kind of a push up to the high for today, or come back down and try to tag the low for today. Again, today is OpX, Wednesday OpX, so beware of potential gains. And right now we are looking at the volume profile for today. So you can see that a little bit soft, but who knows. Today you can see that it traced to the range here for today, the developing range, and the volume point of control is down here while the price is up here. So probably we'll see it pull back unless it will chop here and build up more volume to shift the point of control back up. Otherwise, I will be watching for a pullback and come back down to retest the overnight low and possibly take out the IB low. But if it come to, then basically watch for a retest of this range here, this value area, and then possibly move back down here and try to close it down here at the 2790, what is that, 2793.25 area, right near the overnight high. Okay, so those are basically a couple different scenarios that I'll be watching for this afternoon. So hopefully your day is going well, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And if you're not a subscriber of my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell icon, so you will get notification whenever I start doing a video such as this or post a new video on my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.